Tired of giving users way too much access just to get one little feature working? You know the drill. Someone needs a specific button or a certain field visible, and the only option feels like handing them the keys to the kingdom. But it doesn't have to be that way. Here's how to assign a custom permission in under 2 minutes without creating a security headache. So here's the plan. We'll create a new permission set, define the custom permission inside it, and then assign it to the right user. Let's jump into Setup and knock this out. Start by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of Salesforce. That's your quick settings menu. It's the little cogwheel. You can't miss it. From there, click on Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the full setup area where we can actually build things. Now, look in the top left corner of this page. You'll see a search bar labeled Quick Find. Go ahead and type the word User in there. This is your fastest way to navigate around without digging through endless menus. As you type, a list of options will appear. Click on Permission Sets. This is where we'll create the custom permissions that give you that perfect granular control. All right, we're in the Permission Sets page now. Look for the New button near the top and click it. This opens the creation form. First, type in a label. This is the human readable name you'll see in lists. Make it clear and descriptive, something like Custom Report Export or Dashboard Edit Access, whatever makes sense for the permission you're building. Next, the API name will auto-populate based on what you type for the label, but you can customize it. Just keep in mind, the API name is what code and integrations will reference, so make it clean and consistent. No spaces, no special characters. Once that's done, click Save. Salesforce will take a moment to create the permission set and land you on its detail page. You'll see your new set at the top of the list now. And here's the really important part. Now we assign it. From the permission set detail page, click on Manage Assignments. This opens a list of users in your org. Find the person who needs this permission and check the box next to their name. Then click Add Assignment. You might see a confirmation message pop up. Just click Assign Again to confirm. And that's it. The permission is now theirs. But let's double check, just to be safe. Go back to the user's record. Scroll down to the Permission Set Assignments Related list. You should see your brand new custom permission set right there in the list. If it's there, you're golden. As a final check, have the user test whatever feature this permission controls. Log in as them, or ask them to try it out. If that button or field lights up, you've nailed it. No over-permission, no security gaps. Just exactly what they needed. And that's the whole process. Custom permissions are one of those tools that save you from the hassle of bulky profiles or worrying about giving too much access. Create a focused permission set, assign it to the right person, and move on with your day. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up. See you in the next one.